Okay, so today I wrote a code to create a stopwatch, and I used this 4-digit 7-segment display LED and a reset sensor. And from the code, I wrote that whenever I click the sensor, this should restart. So now it's counting, my stopwatch is counting, and then when I click this, it starts again. And when I release the button, it starts counting. So when I press it, it resets and then it starts counting. So this is useful for when you want to start a stopwatch and you maybe for a race, it keeps counting and counting, and then when the race stops, you can just click this button to restart it to 0.